So now let's see about the animals. There are so many different animals are there which are useful to us. Okay, for example, dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes. So these animals are kept for domestic uses. Okay, from cows, buffaloes we get the milk, and milk is a rich source of minerals and proteins. Yes, again from some animals we get the meat. Meat also a rich source of protein. Fish is also used as a food only. Okay, so from poultry like hen, ducks we get the egg, which is also a rich source of proteins. Means there are different animals are there which is used as a food only. Okay, which is used as a food only. Along with that, again some animals are there, for example horse, sheep. Okay, these are also useful for occupation. These are also useful for occupation. See, horse is there which is used for the occupation, for transportation. Okay, again honey and bee wax are there. Okay, from honey bees we get the honey. Then pearls, then we get the pearls from oyster. Next, silk and wool we get from silkworms. Okay, in the picture they are having shown the silkworms. So from that we get the silk and wool. From that we can make the cloth. Then wool we get from the sheep. Skin and fur used to make leather objects. For example, purse are there, belts are there, shoes are there. Okay, bags are there. So to prepare these leather objects, the and skin of animals only they are used. Okay, again there are different animals which used for domestic uses. Again animals are used for transport also. Again animals are used to do work in farm also. So these are the very important uses of animals. Understood everyone? So again earthworm is also useful in agriculture. Okay, so animals are used as a food also, and some other purposes also animals are useful to us. Though so many different animals are useful to us, along with that there are different some animals are there which are harmful to us. For example, mosquitoes, flies. Yes, they spread the diseases. Malaria is there. Now we are facing the problem, no, coronavirus. Okay, it is because of that virus. Okay, then cockroaches are there, mice are there, rats are there. They destroy the food material. Okay, they destroy the grains. Okay, they spoil the food material. Bacteria are there, they spoil the food material. Then again lice, ticks are also spread some diseases. Okay, as they bites, mosquito as they bites to us, it is poisonous. Okay, and it spread the diseases. Again spiders are there, snakes are there, scorpions, they also even cause the death only. Okay, again there are some wild elephants are there. As they enter human settlements, they cause a lot of destructions as they are living in forest. But as they are coming in a human settlements, what will happen? It cause the lot of destruction, means it disturb the our living. Okay, so these are some harmful animals. Again some wild animals are there, for example tiger, lions. They kill the domestic animals. Okay, like again first they are harmful to people also. Okay, then caterpillars are there which feed on the leaves. Okay, then rodents, for example rats are there, mice are there, and it's attack on the grains, and it spoil the grains. Okay, again so many insects are there which damage the agricultural crops also. means they can attack the crops, they destruct the crops also, so they damage the agriculture crops. So these are some harmful animals. Here we conclude the lesson number 2, the living world. In that lesson we have studied the different characteristics of living thing, okay, and along with that the useful plants and useful animals. Along with useful we have studied about their harmful also, harmful plants and harmful animal also. So here we conclude the lesson number 2. In last period only I gave the homework to complete the lesson number 2, okay, exercise writing from notes. You have to complete the in your CW, okay. So I gave as a homework to you. So everyone complete the homework, complete this lesson from your notes. Along with that, today I am giving some new words. That new words also you have to write in your CW. Understood everyone? So here we complete the lesson number 2, the living world. I think everyone have understood this lesson. So everyone complete your writing thing and keep your CW properly, systematically. Understood everyone? Okay. Thank you.